Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger. It's not, Messenger not showing right now. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger not showing right now, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will search about this window of Messenger and we click. When you'll find this list of app and for you, we click on force stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will find here uninstall. You can click to uninstall your app and then you can wait a moment to install again your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.